County to Blasberg, Department 4, second call. On Route 15 north, just south of Blasberg, at least 1 mile from Blasberg exit. A motor vehicle accident reported, 1 vehicle rollover, unknown injuries. Department 4, second call due to respond, 1013, Tiger on case.
Jaws.
Ambulance 716, engine 83 and 114 responding.
Good.
Commander County.
7 on the air, 1013.
Commander County. Just be advised, I'm sending Texas Rescue on the highway.
Fire ground 2, right?
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay, County 10, I'm not responding yet.
About damn time. Or just time to get bored. More like it. No, you probably sit down there saying, shit.
On the roof.
See the ambulance I
Partially blocked.
Okay, back up if you're missing.
015 command. G420 on scene.
Keep going before I update it.
Yeah,
I have seen 1016.
just wait here until they can slow everything up.
Guard for you. We'll get them stopped.
Yeah.
We can nose up to it this way.
Yeah. Right on the camera, huh?
Ambulance 716 on scene.
716 on scene, 1017.
We can get past it. We can get our truck on the other side of it.
16 on scene.
Go up there and stop traffic. You think he's got? We're gonna get our truck on the other side if we
Yeah.
can.
Yeah, one's right.
Grab our med bag, Chief. I'll grab it.
Chief 9 to Chief 4, I just sent our squad to help with traffic control of that accident, you know, it's a rollover. on the scene.
County 918, Squad 918, be responding to motor vehicle accident 15.
Responding to 19.
Squad 918, County. Did you receive ever respond to that motor vehicle accident?
Copy.
County, can we get a location on that?
It's on Route 15 in the northbound lane, south of the block exit.
Chief 460 to Route 15 Command. To Route 15 Command.
Route 15 Command, go ahead. Chief 470, 460, go ahead.
Do you have enough ambulances on scene?
I didn't copy you up. Route 15 Command of Tioga County.
Chief 460 to Route 15 Command, go ahead. .420 to 460, fire down 1.
Okay, do you need more ambulances?
Negative. We got 2 on scene.
Command, do you need more ambulances?
Negative. We have 2 on scene.
Affirmative, thank you.
Ambulance 716 with Wellsboro Hospital.
716 right to Wellsboro Hospital.
Squad 918 and beyond scene. Route 15 command to Tioga County. T420, Paragraph 1. Route 15 command to Tioga County.
Command.
Be advised at this time, Route 15, northbound. T420, Paragraph 1. Get the vehicle over. T410-1. Go ahead, 10-1. I think 420 is the one that's up here at the crash, and he's on the other radio talking to Tioga County. Chief 830, Squad 918. Squad 918 be clear from scene, return to the station.
Okay, Squad 918. County to Route 15 command.
Go ahead, County. Ambulance 716, Tioga County. Route 15 command to Tioga County, go ahead.
Hold on. I'm gonna turn this around.
Till PSP gets on scene, request the rollback and the vehicle is removed. I'd like to send you guys help with the fire engine. Okay, we'll be right there. Copy. We'll right now back up. We'll put a roll right in there.
Hey, Bobby!
What?
Bobby, we're shutting the road down. They don't want it open.
What's that?
Guys, we're letting this traffic go.
Okay. Hold on. Yeah, night. Just hold them off until we get everybody out of the way here.